ship there. Well, I had a bad feeling about that last group, but this is this is the group I've been waiting for, yes. Come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is rare, dangerous, I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends to danger? You insult my honor. And believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
What are the engines all over here?
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. The first one will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, alright. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work.
Wait.
I'm sorry.
You guys ready? Done it before?
And Disney World.
Disney World.
We're from Orlando. Well, he's
Where are you from?
Look, I had to like I do my
To the planet Corellia, you will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
Yes, hit your flashing buttons. Only one engineer. Well, I'll do what I can to help out. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters.
Oh my god!
Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to lightspeed. Those heavy guys are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Where's my blue button? The blue button!
Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. There it is. After that train. Five engineers. Five the harpoon. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo. Breathe. Left pilot, brakes.
Wait, was that
My
me?
friends,
Was
that
that
could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
Was that great?
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now come up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center.
Into the center, bro!
Oh, I
See
don't know.
those big white rings?
Behind
Put
the
your foot.
tray!
I don't know where it was.
Engineer.
No one's telling me anything.
And reel us in.
No one was
Oh,
telling
the
me
little
anything.
books.
I feel like we're like weaving a glob in here.
Guns? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Let's get out of here. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot. Hit the distance. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve one container of Copaxia. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.